Okay, so this is going to be, I think, our final video on adding integers, and hopefully you watched the 3 videos before this where you've kind of practiced what the rules are and how to draw the visual. But this is kind of the recap. So here's what you need to know about adding integers. There's basically 2 types of problems. Either the numbers have the same sign and they match, or they have different signs. And so what you have to do is you have to pay attention to those signs. Are they both positive? Are they opposites? Are they both negative? Because that's going to help you figure out what to do next. So here is the rule that we try to stick to, at least in our classroom. Same signs, add and keep. Different signs, subtract. And I put it in quotes because in class a lot of times we'll kind of chant this out loud and say it over and over. And to be truthful with you, the more you say it out loud, the more it's going to stick in your head. You're going to get that up here and be able to remember that rule. Same signs, add and keep. Different signs, subtract. You can put a tune to it. You can kind of sing it in your head, whatever kind of gets it in there so that you're not going to forget it. So same signs, add and keep, different signs, subtract. I know you're watching a video and you might have people sitting around you and you don't want to say it out loud right now, but maybe close your eyes and say it in your head 3 times over. The more you do that kind of stuff, the better it's going to stick. Same signs, add and keep, different signs, subtract. So we're going to try using this rule now, and you can pause the video if you need to write this down for a minute, but we're going to look at 4 different problems, A, B, C, and D, and I'm not even going to solve them yet until I figure out what kind of problem they are. Is it same signs or different signs? They're definitely all adding. See, adding, 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 adding. That's important to notice, so I can use my adding rules. And I'm going to look for same signs first, because the same signs you add and keep. So A, I have -24 plus -7. Those are the same signs. Yep, same signs. They both have negatives. So maybe right up here I'm going to write same. I'm going to look at B, 13 plus -5. Well, 13 is positive, 5 is negative. Those are opposite signs, so they're different. Those are not the same, so different. Okay, I'm going to look at C here. -6 plus -2. -6 plus -2. They're both negative. Another same sign problem. Okay. And then the last one, -12 plus 8. -12 plus a +8. Those are opposite. Those are different signs. They do not match. Now I'm ready to actually solve this. So same signs, add and keep. Well, here are my same sign problems. I'm going to add and keep. 24 plus 7, let's see, 24 plus 7 is 31. And I'm going to keep, so that means keep them negative because they're all negatives. There we go. Same signs, add and keep. So 6 plus 2 is 8, and I'm going to keep them negative. Awesome. Now let's do the different signs. Different signs subtract. Okay, so these are different, so I'm going to subtract. 13 take away 5. 13 take away 5 is 8. 12 take away 8. 12 take away 8 is 4. But I need to be a little bit careful here. I need to decide, is my answer supposed to be a positive or a negative number? Like, that part is not exactly in our little chant that we just said. So think about it. 13 plus -5. 13 is way bigger. The positive number is much bigger. So the answer is it's a +8. Over in the second problem for D, let's see, 12 is way bigger. It's the negative number. So the answer is -4. The bigger number helps us determine if it's going to be positive or negative. All right, so this is kind of the final video for this section 1.2 in our book, but I really want to encourage you to just keep practicing this. The same signs, add and keep, different signs, subtract. The more problems you do, the easier some of this gets, for sure. And I think that checking your answer and finding those mistakes that you might be making quickly, kind of figuring out what those mistakes are, will really help you improve. So I hope these helped, and I hope you move on to 1.3 and start working on subtracting integers next. Thanks, guys. Bye.